My name's Stephen Pringle, Extract North-East Ltd. We're working here on behalf of Mears and Home Group. We're rendering some of their older stock of properties. The original render that was on was all decayed, cracked, blowing off, now where frost and water's getting behind it. So the Home Group have asked for us to put a new system on, which makes the houses more weatherproof, warmer. As part of that, we did all the cavity cleaning, which was taking out all the old cavity wall insulation, putting a new carbon bead in, which has a better U value, makes the houses warmer and saves on energy. And then we do a base coat on the property and put a finish coat on with a render finish and chippings to make the houses look pristine again. The benefits of having the house cladded are warmer, looks newer, gets rid of the old render on, and it keeps the house warmer, which also saves on electric, as there was other works done to it, which gives the house a lot more durability during the winter. Yes, this was one of the first one we did. Number 2, it was basically quite in a bad state with the render. That was all stabilised and then re-rendered. Cracks in the old render allowing water in, blowing of the render where the ice and water gets behind and starts delaminating it from the actual wall. All that was stabilised, knocked off and treated with a grip, which is like a paint that goes on first, then a base coat, corner beads, new bell bottoms, and then the finish coat, which is what you see, gives it an aesthetic look. I've had a lot of good feedback by customers. Obviously it changes the aesthetic look of the house, makes them happier. It gives it a new fresh look for the estate and makes them save on energy because of the new insulation that's in, and it's more water penetrable, so you don't get them cold winds blowing through.